Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this series of videos I've been talking about all the tools, the apps, the extensions that I use to help me run my dropshipping business. And I've been doing this for years now, and one of the things I'm always getting asked is which keyword tool do I use for dropshipping on eBay? And do you know what? I don't use any tools at all because everything that you need is actually contained within eBay itself. And you just use this little box here. Now, if you look, there's a little arrow with in an orange or yellow box. You need to click on that because you're going to get suggestions from eBay when you key in words for a title. So this is the product we were looking at yesterday. I did a video yesterday on sourcing products, and we came up with this one as a good one to source. Ladder bookcase. So let's go back to here and put in ladder. And I'm going to put shelf. And then all these suggestions are the suggestions that are coming up because this is what people are actually searching for. So these are the keywords that you need to be using. No point using keywords that no one's looking for. So I use letter count to make sure that I'm getting all 80 characters up for my title. So I would just add some of these keywords into letter count. So we've got ladder shelf, and we've got ladder shelf bookcase, and leaning, and wooden. So ladder shelf bookcase, leaning, wooden. What else do we have? Wall and book. Okay, so it gives you some keywords there, and let's click on ladder shelf bookcase. Now, that's only showing 272 results. Now that's because we're on eBay.com, but I live in the UK, so this is just going to show items that are actually shipped internationally or are based in the UK, but that someone's actually got them on .com. So what you need to do is change this to distance nearest first. You want to change this to United States. And there you go. You've got 1,574 results for ladder shelf bookcase. So you might want to go and have a look at keywords that have been used for items that have been selling. Is there anything that you haven't used yet? So what we've got here, storage organizer, book stand, 5-tier. Now actually it's a 3-tier, so I want to actually put that in. And book stand will be fine. The other place to go and also look is actually on the reviews for the item, because it may be that somebody's saying that they use it for a particular something you hadn't thought about, and that's useful. So let's just go and have a look if there's anything. There might not be, but there might be. Click on reviews, scroll down. Is there anything there that would be useful? Definitely don't use things like pretty or beautiful. Anything there? No, nothing there. Right, the other thing I'll look at is also the description. Ah, do you know what? I hadn't noticed it's a laptop desk as well. That's definitely worth putting in. Laptop desk. Right. 75 characters. We need a couple more. The other thing is go and have a look and see if there's anything related keywords coming up at all. Let's do leaning ladder shelf. Anything coming up there? Yeah. Leaning ladder shelf, black, leaning shelf. Doesn't help. Let's do wood. See if anything comes up there. No. Okay. Remember, we still got it clicked as sold at the moment. See if there's anything else. Oh, display might be a good one. How many characters we've got? We've got 5 left. So that's going to be a little bit too long. Tower. Perfect. Tower. There you go. So you've got all the keywords. You could go on. There's plenty more keywords that you could use. And then what you need to do is use the strategies that we show you within the Infinii training in knowing which of these keywords you're going to optimize for and how you work that out. And then showing you how to actually optimize within the description of your item. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you. It's really, as I say, you don't need any expensive keyword tools. Everything you've got is within eBay itself. So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, please like the video below. Any questions at all, add them into the comments. There are plenty more videos on my channel, so go and have a look there. Loads of videos on product sourcing and all the different tools I use, and various other videos that I'm sure you'll find useful. And there's loads more videos coming your way, so go and subscribe and you're not going to miss out on anything. Hit the bell and you'll be notified. Okay, so that's it for now, and take care. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.